Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the charging port board on the Huawei P30 Lite mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and take out the SIM tray and follow with the back cover removal. Here we are using a heating pad to remove the back cover. Place the back cursor on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup to lift the back cover. In between, insert a plastic carpet tool and gently cut the adhesive. While taking out the back cover, be gentle, the fingerprint plug is attached to the back cover. Next, undo 10 screws to remove the brackets and the shield. Next, take out the board's main bracket, left bracket and fingerprint connector shield. Next, unplug the battery and fingerprint connectors. Now the back cover unit can leave from the body. Next, move to the bottom and remove the speaker cover by undoing 7 screws. Next, remove the not working charging port board by disconnecting the connector plug and the antenna head. Use a heat gun to soften the glue under the board. If not, use a pry tool and gently lift the board. Next, place the new charging port board on the body by securing the antenna head and the connector plug. Next, place the speaker cover by adding 7 screws. Next, secure the fingerprint and battery connectors to the logic board. Next, place the fingerprint shield and 2 brackets on the frame by securing 10 screws. Before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue on your double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we add in binding clips to tie in the back cover to the body. Leave it for some time and remove it. If not, use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.